Alright, welcome to another iPod Guru video. We are going to show you, well, I am going to show you how to downgrade a iPod Touch second generation to iOS 4.1.2. Well, from iOS 4.1.2 to iOS 2.1.1. This is for MB only. What you first want to do is go in the description and download the iTunes 64-bit 10.6 or 10.6.3 for the 32-bit. And open it up. There's going to be two parts of the video. This is the Mac Windows version of timestamps below for Mac and Windows. This works from all the way from Windows Vista to 8, most likely 10 because it's iTunes. So yeah, we'll throw in 10. But you want to download the ISPW in the link below. And now you're going to open up iTunes after you first install it. Turn off the iPod. And while you're doing that, you want to put the iPod in DFU mode. By doing that, press and hold home and power and booting up. When the Apple logo goes away, hold down home and power for a little bit. And then release the power button and press home until it pops up saying it's in recovery mode. And then we wait. And then for Mac, you're going to press Option. Or for Windows, you're going to press Shift. Scroll down to your IPSW. Then it's going to extract. It's going to prepare. Remember, this is only for MB only. The MC, I've noticed, only can go down to 4.1. And mainly they're all 8 gigs, so if you really want to get like an MC, get like a 16 gig or above. But now we wait for this thing to boot up. It's just gonna do like a normal update or restore if you've ever seen one before. It's just gonna put on 2.1.1, and it also works with modern day Windows. So you can plug it into your iTunes 12 computer, you know, your newest MacBook. It'll still work, even though you need a dongle. But it also will work on, you know, all the versions of iTunes too now. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, now that it has finished recovering, you can just name it whatever you want, which I'll name it WaterPod 2. And then you can see it's on 2.1.1. You can add music onto it, even though there's no music on here. And then that's ready to go. And then we'll get to the Mac part where it's, you know, way easier. Well, it's actually not, but you know, it's a little complicated since you need macOS Lion, or you can try to downgrade your iTunes version to 10.6.3, which is a little weird. Why would you want to do that? But yeah, well, we'll see you on the Mac side, and peace out. Okay, we're on the Lion side of things with iTunes 10. Let me just iTunes 10.6.3. And what we are going to do is we're going to put our iPod in DFU mode. Because there's nothing on the screen, we'll put it on the side right here, which you guys can't see. We're going to hold it down Option, and we're going to click the thing we just downloaded. Remember, this is for MB only. Press Open. Let's prepare iPod for restore, and you're going to see the Apple logo. Then you're going to see a little scroll, and then there's going to be a bar that's going to pop up here. And then we're going to wait. And we're back. Probably the most easiest thing to do, but this is for the iTunes on the Mac. It's the same on Windows, but you saw that already. So this is basically old news, and then just gonna do everything from iTunes, some random, just to, you know, get the video finished. As you can see, odd. We magically have music in here because I think it's full music actually. So we are not going to sync it actually. Press apply, and that's the end of the video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Mainly because 86% of you aren't subscribed, which is kind of funny. If I pull up analytics right now, it shows that 666 people are not subscribed, which is kind of funny. Hopefully I picked the right one though. That's the day. Yeah, 666 people are not subscribed. Apparently, well, that's how many viewers are not subscribed. Which makes no sense, to be honest. Even though we have 33, we have 146 viewers that are subscribed. But that's mainly because of viewers and all that. But if we pull up, what are my actual YouTube analytics? Yeah, 7 more, mainly because they're also fixing it, but we have 4K impressions. That's really doing good. Engagement, it's going up. Yes, 87% of you are not subscribed, while 12% are, which I want to flatten the curve while, oh, it went down now. That's nice. I want to make this a lower percentage than this. So if we can reach that by, let's say, end of March, let's say we can get 100 or 200 subscribers, which would be fine. We can do that. I know we can. Alright, see you guys later.